Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the top hidden gestures you didn't know in your iPhone 17. So, the first one, if you open for example Messages app or Notes or any other app, if I text something with the three fingers swiping to the left, I can easily make it undo. As you can see, undo. If I want to redo, I need to just three fingers to right. As you could see, nothing to redo. That's how it works. If I tap with the three fingers, I will see this menu. That's how it works. The second thing is when we, for example, I need to open the multiple applications. Instead of opening the app switcher like this, we can, for example, open this one, and as you can see, with sliding the bottom bar to left and right, we can move between the applications like this. The next thing, if we tap the status bar over here, we can move to the top. That's very useful and very nice. I didn't know that actually. Tap just the edge over here, clock area. You will instantly jump to the top of Safari Pages, Messages, Notes, and Settings list, for example. Apart from that, two finger to select text faster. As you can see, it works. That's how it works. It's just very, very nice. Apart from that, and the final one, it's drag and drop between applications. You can move content without copy and paste. Let me, for example, open the Photos application and take something which I can drag. So here, hold it with one finger, and now open Notes over here, and I can put this in my notes. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.